Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sana, I haven't been vlogging because I was lazy and I was a bit sick. Well, I only did not vlog for only a day. That was yesterday. What did I get up into yesterday? I went to Waterfront. I didn't vlog that. I was just lazy to vlog yesterday. So and then yeah, we stayed there up until like pretty late. I don't even recall what time I got back. What time is it, Con? I think it's after 3 p.m. because we slept very late. Obviously I woke up late, so only a bit of like starting my day now. We're actually going out later with my friends, and my friend is coming from Joburg. She's landing at 10. Yeah, her flight is landing at 10:20 or something. Yeah, but 10 o'clock at night. Then we're gonna go out later, and yeah. But anyway, I just came to say hi guys, I'm still alive. I'll see you on the next next video. I don't know, but yeah. Bye. Cheers.
Eye contact.
Yeah. Also, you're gonna have bed sex for 10 years. Do you know that?
No.
Guys, they say when you are cheersing, nigga, you need to do eye contact, ne? If you don't do that, you're gonna have bed sex for 10 years. Do you know that?
No.
It's true.
Life. There is never.
This is such a nice view. Very pretty. So pretty. Love it. Hi people. Oh, someone takes a melon. Hope Nirats. So we are going out. So now we are just doing everything rush. So there's no time to vlog. But we'll have a little, little vlog, Nana. Come say hi to the people.
Hi people. So I just landed. I'm from Joburg.
Okay, girl.
Yeah.
So this girlie just landed, well, an hour ago.
An hour already.
Isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
More than.
It's more than an hour, bro.
Midnight.
Yeah.
Oh,
You tired already, Janison?
no, it's now.
Oh.
If
We're tired as now.
you need to do the hair in 2 minutes. Need to do what? Your hair in 2 minutes. Like
Which one do you want? Oh, Len. Okay. Be wearing a red lipstick today.
What are you singing today?
I don't know. Izenzekele, bro. Izenzekele. Yosana asomncane ungizihlangu. Asibuhlungwanga, but yo, you know heels, ne?
No, I'm still digging. I feel like
I-heels sana zifuna uqala ujime If I was new,
The entire
yeah, guys, I always struggle putting on a necklace and neck piece or whatever you call it. But anyway, this is it. Okay, guys, bye. See you on the flip side. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. So today is Saturday. Last night we went out. I didn't vlog obviously because club, but I'm gonna insert the whatever. If I do though, I don't know. But it was hella fun. It was so nice. Hey. We slept in the morning. We went home around 5 in the morning. So currently we are going to waterfront, so I'll vlog a bit over there. Okay? Don't even know. Don't say go light on Olo. Oh yeah, true, because I had to do a whatever. The intro. Yeah. And then, how you doing over there? Are you good? Good, thanks. Are you good, mate?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
Great, lovely. Ladies, my time is on. Yo, son of mine. Sebastian.
Oh, it's a video. Oh, it's for the vlogging.
Hi guys. Hey guys. It's been a minute. Hi, my friend. Your girl is down bad, but I'm here. We're at the bungalow. I've always wanted to come here. the scene girlies come here, so on Banam Sana, I want to be within. So we just ordered food. Yeah, this thing I need to cut it, son, because anyway, there's no point of this thing, right? We just ordered food and drinks. Super hungry. Where's my phone? Oh, here. So the time right now is 2:25. Yeah. Let me see.
You played there. You played.
Show me, how's your pina colada? Is it pina colada? No? How is it? Is it not? Don't like it?
Give me milk vibes. What's going on?
It's lovely.
Rena, how's your mojito?
Love it. You can see it's almost finished. Love it.
Because that day when I had this pina colada, Tasha's, they didn't put alcohol in it.
What?
They hated me.
Virgin. They gave you virgin.
JJ. Which one, Chum? I'm ordering
Bottle.
root.
Yes, definitely.
When we were drinking the Ace, it was like, Ace.
No, if I have replied.
Yeah, there's a funny I don't have to listen, I have to 10.
Absolutely.
So, you again, run back, please. Jimmy, something. Son of the sun is sunning.
It's sunny.
Sun is sunning. I'm very excited, bro. Thank you. All right. Cheers, guys. Tata Mash. Yeah, she hates me. He's savage. Thank you. 6, Chomi.
Yeah. Two. I'm also bang
Oh, Lumtana. No, son, they're crying. Why Terminator?
It's a long way.
What's in it? One more is coming. Oh, it's a target. A shame. Oh, Betuna. Skis, Temba. Guys, look at that view. Chum, is that Table Mountain? Yeah. Yeah. Why you calling it guys? But that side. I've never been to an Table Mountain. Yeah. Really? Anyway, apparently there was a Masaki's show here yesterday. So now they're removing everything. And then this girl taking. Are you live? Well, holiday is over. I'm at the airport, but I'm flying to Johannesburg. I'm gonna be flying from Johannesburg to Doha tomorrow morning. I am so tired, guys. Even my voice is gone. So that's why I haven't been vlogging also, but it's better now.
Please be reminded that passengers need to comply with all health and safety protocols of the country of destination. SIA strives to maintain best practices as the health and safety of all our customers is our primary concern. Please make sure that your hand luggage is placed safely underneath the seat in front of you or in your overhead storage compartment.
Destinations in 195 countries worldwide, working together to ensure a seamless travel experience wherever you are in the world. For more information, visit staralliance.com. Voyager is SAA's loyalty program, the simplest, most generous and extensive program in South Africa. Our value Voyager members receive 1 mile for every R1.60 spent and can spend
It's raining. We had different flights with the girlie, but we meet again. Guys, my voice is so bad because I don't want to say anything. Let me just shut up because at this point, Manimka, and come back again.